Alright, this is a before. This is a before look at some patty. Didn't show you from the beginning of the process how it was done. This patty is made from chicken breast. Yes, so one day I am gonna make a complete video for you and show you how I made this chicken patty. So I'm showing you now what it looked like now before the final finish. What they will look like in the end. How well they will come out. And so in the future, I will make a complete presentation to you on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so this is just a short to show you what is coming down the road. Alright, my friends, this is second stage. Yes, we're taking colors. We're taking on colors. So this is second stage, alright? So I will show you the final finish, how they came out. Alright? You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. These are chicken patties made with chicken breasts. Alright, my friends, I'm not going to keep them in the oven much longer because I don't want them to be overdone. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, okay? See the chicken patties. Didn't show you the whole process, so next time I will do a complete video and show you the entire process from start to finish. Alright, so these are chicken patties seasoned up, alright, and then shredded up, alright, and then flour dough is needed, and the chicken breast is put inside the flour dough, and it's baked inside of the dough. They want to do Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so this is a trailer, super short, coming to you before rest of evening. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.